we had a nice lunch at Claire and Carl's. On your boo lunch at Claire and Carl's. And then we had a dessert at Ralph's. On there is this side at Ralph's. Pia Star. On Fanamasha Hayworth Trail System at Peru, New York. We're on the Hayworth Trail System in Peru, New York. Cassandra's home for a few days. Cassandra Sipa and Coupe de Joux. Man, I'm playing to the video. She don't like to be on the videos. But this is the Sable River. That is Salb. P. UMC waterfall. There's a little waterfall. So now she's headed to Nana and Papa's for an overnight, and then tomorrow with a friends. À s'en va chez mes parents soir. Puis demain avec son ami, and then back with us, and then sad but short trip. They're leaving on Sunday. Hey, would you look at these trees? Would you just take a look at them? Regarde ces arbres de Noël. They're weird. So, oops, ladies bird watching. I fed some bird watching, so there's one right behind her. There's a bird right behind her. Okay, there's other people. It's really packed here. See, packed ici. Hey, it's one of an Eliptigo from Donnie Moore. It's an Eliptigo to Donnie Moore. Hi. Cool. You can get those from our cousin Donnie. Tu peux les acheter de nos cousins Donnie. Okay, salut. Goodbye from Hayworth Village Park, the Peru, New York.